Before the headwork, after the headwork. Same turbo, same setup, stock intercooler, stock charge pipe, stock exhaust, only a downpipe, IS38600, water meth injection and tuning, that's it. Headwork makes a massive difference. Okay guys, so we've just done the back-to-back runs. Same turbo, same setup hardware-wise, before and after the cylinder head work. You've seen the dyno graph. What we're going to do now is we're going to fit the bolt-on intercooler from TurboDirect. So that basically is a 65mm core, direct bolt-on with 66mm charge pipes with the 3 water meth injection ports already built in. Once that's done, we're going to come straight back to the dyno again and we're going to do another run back-to-back. Same day, same temperature, same setup, except the only difference is going to be obviously the installation of the intercooler. I'll be taking some short clips as well as some photos of the installation of the intercooler setup so you guys can see exactly how it fits together. No modifications, no cutting, no welding, etc. And we'll go from there. See you guys in a while. Okay, so this is the first run after we have installed the bolt-on cooler, the TurboDirect cooler. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go and load the previous file without the cooler, and we're going to compare it to with the cooler. So previously we made 259.5 kilowatts and 426 newtons at the wheels, and after the intercooler we are now sitting at 279.8 and 467 newton meters at the wheels. So that is a considerable difference. I'm going to play with the water meth a little bit and see what we can get. Hey guys, so this is basically what I did. I played around with the water meth injection, and you can see it's a considerable jump over the previous torque curve, and we're sitting at 491 newtons. So we've got to gain another 30 odd newtons over the run we did with the intercooler installed. So this is the best that we've got so far in terms of newtons. That is before the intercooler, that is after the intercooler. Let's get this thing to focus, and that's the highest torque reading that we've basically got. So you'll see that the turbo is still starting to make a lot of power over there. It's on the up and up. It picks up a little bit of detonation because you're running very poor quality fuel here, so it pulls some timing. I think it's 1.5 degrees, but we're only running 1.45 bar boost at the moment, gauge pressure. So what we're going to do is we're going to start adding some octane boosting to the car, and we're going to start increasing boost pressure, and we're going to start tuning on map 2 and map 3 on the multi-map, and then we should expect to see 300, 320 wheel kilowatt quite easily at about 1.6, maybe 1.7 bar, and then we're going to go up to about 2.2 bar and see what we can do when we max the turbo out. Remember, this is still with a stock exhaust system. We've only got a downpipe on. We're running the standard resonator box and the standard silencer system after the downpipe.